Can a woman with a short height still lead a healthy and active lifestyle?
Hello everyone, welcome to our discussion today. We're going to explore an interesting topic. Can a woman with a short height still lead a healthy and active lifestyle? Spoiler alert, the answer is a resounding yes. Let's explore why height is not a barrier to having a fantastic, healthy, and active lifestyle.
Does height influence health and fitness?
Firstly, it's important to understand that height does not determine your overall health or your ability to be physically fit. The key factors for a healthy lifestyle are balanced nutrition, regular exercise, adequate sleep, and a positive mindset. These elements are universal and do not discriminate based on your height.
How can a short woman maintain a healthy lifestyle?
Short or tall, maintaining a healthy lifestyle has the same basic rules. Balanced diet, regular exercise, and good mental health are key. Specific guidelines may vary, but let's focus on some crucial aspects. 1. Nutrition. It's essential to consume a variety of nutrient-dense foods. Eat plenty of fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, whole grains, and healthy fats. 2. Exercise. Incorporate both cardio and strength training exercises into your routine. This promotes cardiovascular health, muscle growth, and overall wellness. 3. Mental health. Embrace positivity and practice stress management. Activities like yoga, meditation, or just taking a break when needed can greatly benefit your mental health.
What are some active lifestyle tips for short women?
Being short can sometimes feel like a disadvantage in a world designed for average heights. But fear not. Here are some tips to live an active lifestyle confidently as a short woman. 1. Fitness gear. Choose fitness gear and equipment that suits your height. Smaller-sized yoga mats, adjustable gym equipment, and proper-sized bicycles can help you have a safer and more effective workout. 2. Sports and activities. Pick sports and activities that you enjoy and feel comfortable in. Don't let stereotypes deter you. You can excel in any sport or physical activity with practice and determination. 3. Clothing. Wear clothing that fits well and allows you to move freely. Avoid loose clothing that may interfere with your workouts. In conclusion, being a short woman is not a hindrance to leading a healthy and active lifestyle. It's all about the mindset, proper nutrition, and regular exercise. Remember, every body is different, and it's essential to embrace and take care of what you have. Always consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new diet or exercise regimen. We hope this discussion has been empowering and insightful. Here's to your health and wellness journey.